Good morning, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Nisqually nations, on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online.
Whoa, look, a lion!
Really? Yes, that is our king named Atlas.
Why is he a lion again?
I don't know.
I despise him more than I despise children. And that is saying something.
Gee, thanks.
Just eat your pudding. Can I ride him?
I don't know he will let you.
Aww. What is he doing here anyway?
Wait, Crazy Lady, what are you doing here?
Just because I'm amazing.
So, what is he doing here anyways?
To save us from her.
Good witch, dear. Wherever would you get that idea?
We all know your cup of tea. You're gonna turn Arya into your ice palace.
Fine. You got me. But you'll never catch me alive.
Wow, you just ran into me.
Well. What do we have here?
Oh, you know who I am. You're so annoying.
Well, you're more annoying.
No, you.
No, you. Good job on handling this like adults, guys. Now when's the real fight gonna start? Good point.
I'm melting! For real now, help!
So the good witch waved her wand and magically the bad witch vanished. And Susie, Lily, and Edward returned home to London. Meanwhile, Auntie Margaret heard a knocking on the wardrobe door, so she opened it, holding a fresh bowl of banana pudding.
Oh, children! Hey, why has snow on you?
And that's snickering.
Let's go eat some banana pudding.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Hi, Mr. Bowers.
Hello, Mr. Monkey.
Look at our nice new lawn that we have. Isn't it great?
Absolutely, it's
And
green.
look, I found these rocks over there,
I
and
noticed
I
that.
wanted to build fairy houses. What do you think?
Well, Mr. Monkey, I don't think that's the right place to do that.
Why? Look at how
Well,
cute they
look-
look. They almost look like Easter eggs.
Yeah, but look at the green grass. Does it go
Yeah.
well with the green grass? And when you think about when
maybe
somebody,
not so much.
when our gardeners come in and they bring their lawnmowers, what's going to
Whoa!
happen?
They might spit out of the lawnmower and hurt somebody.
Absolutely. So,
Oh,
not the
so
most.
where should I build my fairy houses?
Where do you think, Mr. Monkey?
At the beach?
At the beach, rocks on the beach.
But it's not my week at the beach.
Well,
Do I have to wait?
you have to wait.
Okay, I can wait, and I'll pick up all these rocks and take them back where I found them,
Perfect.
and no more rocks. What about on the turf?
Definitely not on the turf, and no picking those little pieces out
But
of the turf as well.
they don't mow the turf.
Well, I know that, Mr. Monkey, but that's not a good place for rocks.
Oh, okay. No rocks on anything green. How about that?
Love it.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Bowers. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Thank you, and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.